The Ascent equipment handheld laser welder distinguishes itself from competitors by placing a strong emphasis on operator ergonomics, cooling infrastructure, and smart software integration. While many laser welders on the market share basic capabilities, like fast processing speeds and low heat-affected zones, Ascent stands out in several key areas. 1. The lightest torch in the industry. Operator fatigue is one of the biggest bottlenecks when moving from traditional TIG/MIG welding to handheld lasers. Ascent's edge: their laser welding torch weighs under 600 grams, 1.3 pounds. The competition: many standard 2000W laser welding guns on the market weigh between 1.65 pounds to well over 2 pounds. Ascent's ultralight design drastically reduces wrist strain during long shifts. 2. Compressor-driven refrigeration technology: no water, no air flaws. Most competitive handheld laser welders rely on either bulky water chilling systems or limited air cooling mechanisms. Ascent's edge: they use a dual-circuit, inverter-driven refrigerant direct cooling heat pump. Because it functions like a localized air conditioner/heat pump rather than a water tank, it consumes 60% less energy than traditional chilling systems. 100% duty cycle: it can operate continuously, 24/7. At maximum power in extreme temperatures ranging from -20°C to +60°C, -4°F to +140°F. Many competitors begin to fail or overheat when ambient temperatures exceed 40°C, 104°F. 3. Integrated smartphone app control. Configuring parameters on older or cheaper laser welders typically requires standing at the main machine interface, scrolling through complex menus on a small resistive touchscreen. Ascent's edge: it features a dedicated Android/iOS mobile application. Operators can select, adjust, and save custom welding parameters or monitor interlocks, warnings, and alarms right from their phone. 4. High-speed wobble head and adaptive packages. Dynamic beam motion: the welder utilizes a super high-speed wobble head with independent control of oscillation amplitude and frequency, driven by a high-speed servo. This offers cleaner, highly stable aluminum welds with zero porosity. Self-calibration. The system includes an adaptive repair process package that runs background self-checks on machine health and auto-calibrates to ensure lifecycle reliability. 5. The easiest setup for the wire feeder: the feeder is to use it only if there is a gap between the two parts. The machine is easy to set up, with parameters divided by material type and saved to memory. The dual-wire feeder can be used with two different wires simultaneously, for example, aluminum on one side and stainless steel on the other. The machine can weld a variety of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, galvanized steel, carbon steel, brass, and copper. The 2000W model can weld aluminum from 0.040 inches up to 0.27 inches thick and carbon steel up to 0.35 inches. The welder comes complete with the main machine, a dual-wire feeder with aluminum wire, a welder trolley, leather gloves, safety glasses, and a fiber laser helmet. Customers can purchase additional helmets, safety glasses, and a special apron designed for laser welding that can withstand temperatures up to 3000°C, 5432°F. Since the laser is Class 4, special partitions and a fume ventilation system are required and can be purchased from Ascent. For more information, email dov@ascent.com or ascentequipment.com.
At ascentequipment.com.